Hi guys. So after doing a quick breakfast of a fruit, I am fixing some lunch for myself. I'm making fried rice because rice were left in the fridge, and I'm going to put a lot of veggies in this, and I'm going to make it tasty for hopefully. So let's see. So today is Saturday, and I had planned that I will go for a coffee today, and tomorrow maybe to Stanley Park and or English Bay Beach, and we'll have some sushi dinner there. But plans changed. I got to know that tomorrow is navmi here in Canada, Vancouver. So I decided that today I will go to Stanley Park or the beach, and whatever dinner I want to have. And tomorrow I will cook some puri, sabji, and other things which we cook for navmi. So yeah, I'm going to do that. So just after lunch I will get ready to go to first to grocery like this store to get a oil dispenser. I'm thinking of picking that on the way, and then to Stanley Park and the beach. Let's see. Paneer is generally very hard here, so it's kind of frozen, I think. So you have to dip it in like hot water before you use it. It's not soft at all. So just adding paneer and finally the rice after all the veggies I have cooked. I think it's gonna be really yummy. Here I am making some raita for myself, and I really like raita or dahi. I lost the footage of this raita making, whatever I added, so you can check it after in the video, because I've made it on Sunday too, so you will see it if you check. And this was good. It was really good. I really liked the fried rice, raita, chutney. Oh god, it's so good. Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
At the moment, it's 12 degrees Celsius. Tonight, you can expect a low of 10 degrees.
So I bought these pants like a month ago, and I'm obsessed right now. I am wearing these every single time I go out. They are warm, comfortable, long, and practical, and look good. I mean, everything in one. So I wear them almost every time I go out. So don't be bothered if you see this in like future videos. I really like these pants. So here I am cleaning the kitchen, because it would be good to be back to a clean house and the clean kitchen, So just cleaning before I leave. This is my minimal makeup look. Just sunscreen, eyeliner, and some lipstick, and this is the stuff I'm carrying today. Some keys, lip balm, sunglasses, and tote bag, and the other bag. So I'm also turning on the Roomba because it makes noise when it's in the house, and if it is working behind us, it would be good to be back again to a clean house, right? Look at the fall leaves. I mean, so beautiful. I just love this season these days. I mean, the leaves are so pretty even when they are on the ground. Everything, they just make everything so pretty. But yeah, it's a mess when it rains. So anyway, so I'm going to the store, but on the way I stopped to a bookstore which I was wanted to go for a long time. So it was really nice, and I really like the tote bags there. some quirky and very nice tote bags. So if you want to buy like tote bags, if you like them, then bookstores are a good option. And if you are in Canada, then maybe Indigo and this book warehouse is good. So this is the first oil dispenser which I saw, and I kind of liked it. It was not very expensive and nicely designed, I guess. So I just was checking this out here, and I will be seeing other options like this one. This one was nice too, but I don't know, it was small and I didn't like it that much. It was nice too. This is the third option. It's very fancy. It doesn't look like all dispenser. It looks like some, that genie magic thing. And this one too. This was looking cool, but again, it's not very practical, I guess. So I left this too, and saw some other oil containers, which are like okay. There were some like Diwali stuff too in the store, which I was very glad about. Look at this thali, so nicely decorated. So maybe we do have some diyas at our house right now, but maybe if I don't get a fancy one, if I don't find one, then maybe I'll buy from here. And finally I bought these two, this book for a gift, and this is the present time. We have stored the oil in the dispenser. Now I am going to downtown, from where I will be taking a bus to Stanley Park. So it's train plus bus journey. I got down at this stop and look at this place. I mean, it's so beautiful. I think it's the other end or some part of Stanley Park. Stanley Park is really pretty. Just look at these leaves, like the fallen leaves. They are so nice, so pretty. So Stanley Park is definitely must visit if you are visiting Vancouver or West Coast of Canada. It's a beautiful park, really nice big trees, and look at this tree. I mean, it's all red and nice, and there are a lot of nice trees. You will see a lot of big trees too, like very old trees, and it's all very dense with the trees. It's not like an open park, but it has something unique about it. Very green with a lot of trees. Okay, so here is the thing. I actually had to go to English Bay Beach, but I thought it's so close and part of Stanley Park, so I would just take the map and the bus to Stanley Park and I would reach there. But I was so wrong. At this point I realized that I am lost, and I'm just too far from the place I want to be. And I checked the maps and it was showing almost half an hour to the beach. A walk, because the park is so big and I was just on the other end. But anyway, I followed the maps in the end, and met Natansh here, my husband, in the middle way, and we reached finally. This is the place where we were actually meeting before initially. So anyway, we grabbed the sushi from this place, yam and avocado special, 16 pieces one, and it turned out to be really yummy. I mean, I liked it. I was trying it after a long time, and the wasabi was not inside the sushi, so that is why maybe it was really nice. It was actually given separately, so if you want to have a hot taste, then you can just try it. Hi guys, this is the next morning and I just finished my quick workout, and now I am preparing for food. So today is navmi, and we are celebrating it today by making puri, chana, and aloo ki sabji. So and we have also invited our relatives here in Vancouver from Surrey. So they are coming for dinner around 6 p.m. So I have to prepare everything by then, and we also have to clean the house. So today the agenda is to clean and cook. So let's see how the day goes. Let's start. So this is my lunch, brunch, or breakfast, everything you call it, anything. So this is my food today for the afternoon, and I'm just having some jam and peanut butter and bread. So yeah, it's a comfort food, I would say. And yeah, I realized that I could not open the jar, and after trying for almost like 20 minutes, I looked online and saw this technique where you put the jar upside down in hot water for like 30 seconds and then try to open it, and you should be able to open it. So I am just trying whether it really worked, and guess what? It kinda did. So yes, I was able to open the jar after this technique. So this works, ladies. It's not all about the muscle power, you know. So made this, and now my plan is to take a break and resume the cooking again. Potatoes are done, and although they are a bit overboiled, but that's okay because we have to mash them anyway for the sabji. So my plan is to make first chane ki sabji, and then the potatoes one, and then I'll make some tea. While the tea is getting prepared, I will take shower and have tea and get a break, and after that I'm going to make some raita, and after raita I'll clean the kitchen, and while Latansh will clean the other parts of the house, he'll clean the rest of the house. We'll just wait for them to come. Yeah, that's our plan. Look at this beautiful color. So after the masala was cooked in the oil, I added some the potatoes, and I added kasuri methi at the end, and it looked yummy. I mean, look at this color. And the puri and other things I will be making at that time only, when they will be here and once they are ready to eat. And halwa is something which is very important, and I am not making it. Jaggi auntie is going to make it. She makes really amazing tastiest halwa. So I'm gonna give this task to her, and I know I'm so excited for halwa actually. So this is the plan. Yeah. So I wanted to say one thing, that this weekend is special. I mean, we are celebrating Navmi, we are calling people over dinner, and we also went out yesterday. I went out yesterday, but generally the weekends are not like this. Generally they are boring. We go out, like we do go out once or twice for dinner, or to some restaurant to eat. But it's very boring, and it does not have to be special every time, because you won't appreciate this special weekend or special dinner or calling people over if it becomes the normal, right? So just wanted to say that this weekend was different, but generally our weekend are not like that. I'm stuck studying for my job application, and my husband is out to play badminton. That's it.